Difference a few hours makes.
Yeah, so we're dealing with showers, thunderstorms across the area, but there's a couple areas that I'm beginning to be a little more concerned about. So the far north, northwest suburbs. For those of you in McHenry and Lake counties, I'm sure you've noticed it's been raining and raining very hard for quite a period of time now. So we do have a flood advisory that's now been issued for portions of McHenry County and the northern half of Lake County here. And I was actually just texting back and forth with meteorologist Mike Kaplan living up in Lake County. And he said that in his particular area, he's definitely starting to see some water standing, and it's something that we're going to have to really pay attention to here. So zooming things in, this includes places like Johnsburg. It looks like McHenry over toward Grays Lake. I did get an update from the National Weather Service as well, that places like Grays Lake and the potential of the northern half of Lake County could potentially be seeing roadway flooding, ditch flooding here in the next 10 to 15 minutes. It could be getting worse because this particular storm, it's nearly stationary. So we've been picking up torrential downpours over the same exact areas now for quite some time. So again, we're likely seeing some standing water there. And here's what we're dealing with over the next 12 hours or so. So those rain chances, they're sticking around pretty solidly through about midnight or so. And then we begin to see rain chances dropping off. We're still stuck with showers tonight and into the early morning hours of tomorrow, but the coverage of those should not be nearly as high as what we're dealing with right now. So here's the setup that we have. We have a frontal boundary that's very slowly sinking to the south. Once we're on the north side of that, we're going to feel it. Tomorrow we have high temperatures that are only going to be in the 50s. So we're going from highs near 80 degrees today to only in the mid to upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at Futurecast taking us through tonight. Again, the chance of rain, it's still going to be there tonight, but the coverage should begin to decrease late tonight into the early morning hours of tomorrow. We still have scattered rain showers being possible, especially for those of you in the south suburbs. Tomorrow afternoon, I think we still could be dealing with some rain, but then the north suburbs, we should be able to dry things out, end up seeing a little bit of sunshine, and then finally by Wednesday, we're starting off the day with some sunshine. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s to low 50s, so kind of a cool start. But then during the daytime, we're back up into the upper 60s, and that's really not too far off from where we should be for this time of the year. Normal highs are right around 69 or 70 degrees. Your temperatures right now, we've dropped into the 60s for many of us, and just a couple hours ago, again, we were in the upper 70s and low 80s. Tonight, we're dropping down to 51. We'll keep the shower and storm chance around. Tomorrow, we're in the 50s for highs, 60s with some sunshine on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We do have a chance for showers and storms. Highs will be in the mid 70s, but we are close to 80 with just a very small chance of rain for the upcoming weekend. Dawn and Scott.
Emily, thanks. A huge